In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation in Canva and export it as a PPTX. We'll start in your browser. Head to canva.com. Once the home page loads, you're ready to build your presentation entirely online without installing anything. Look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. A drop-down menu will appear with lots of options. From that menu, choose Presentation. If you see 16:9 Presentation, go ahead and select it. That widescreen format is ideal for most projectors and laptops, and it displays perfectly in Microsoft PowerPoint. If the option isn't visible, use the search bar in the drop-down and type Presentation to find it quickly. Canva will now open a new design window. On the left, you'll see a panel with layouts and elements. The main canvas sits in the center. Here, you can choose a template to get a head start, or select a blank design if you prefer full creative control. Templates are great for consistent typography and spacing, while a blank canvas is perfect if you already have a style in mind. Let's customize your first slide. Click on any text box to edit the wording. You can type directly and adjust the font, size, and color from the toolbar above. To replace images, select a photo on the slide and swap it with a new one from the left panel, or drag an image directly onto the placeholder until it snaps in. To enhance your layout, open the Elements tab on the left to add icons, shapes, and illustrations. You can also change the background by selecting the background area and choosing a color or texture. As you work, you can add a new slide using the controls in the bottom panel so your content flows across multiple pages. When you need more slides, click Add Page to start fresh, or duplicate an existing slide to keep your formatting consistent. Duplicating is especially helpful if you want the same layout for multiple sections and only plan to change the content. When your slides are ready to export, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. In the File Type menu, select PPTX. This format ensures your Canva slides become a standard PowerPoint file with editable text and images. Finally, click Download. Canva will process the file and save a .ptx to your computer. Open that file in Microsoft PowerPoint to present, add speaker notes, or share with teammates. That's it. Your Canva design is now a fully functional PowerPoint presentation ready for any meeting or class.